I'm often asked by new CNC users which bits they should buy in order to get started. Well, I'm proud to be working with Whiteside to bring you a set of 7 bits that I think are the right ones to start with. I've chosen these bits for particular reasons. They're a little bit different than some of the other sets that are out there. So let me explain why I chose each one in the set. A 1/4-inch cutter is most likely going to be the bit you use most. The one I wanted for this set is a spiral, but with a slow twist. This means that it cuts fast in most materials, but it'll give you the same quality of cut in plywoods that a straight cutter will. It's the best of both worlds. The slow spiral is a down shear, which leaves a perfectly clean, sharp edge along the top of your material that you're cutting, even fragile veneers. And the downward cutting action of the spiral will help keep your parts tight down onto your table. I included an 1/8-inch bit because it's highly useful. It can get into tighter corners and mill smaller holes and pockets than the 1/4 can do, and do it without burning. You'll get less friction and heat from the single flute design, and the down shear spiral that's built into this bit will always leave a clean edge along the top of your cut lines. I prefer the O-flute design that's here for its excellent cut quality over a wide range of materials, especially thin plastics. A 90-degree V-bit is essential for engraving text and images. This bit will get a lot of use. I chose the 1/2-inch diameter design because it removes more material faster, making short work of larger text and images that you may be carving. And it also means that you can use it to cut miters into small box projects you may be working on, saving you time and steps after the cutting is done on the CNC. The sharper angle of this 60-degree V-bit will cut deeper into letters and images than the 90-degree bit will. This allows you to create finer details in engravings and utilize different fonts on the text because it can cut deeper for the same size piece, giving you a little bit more flexibility. The 3 cutting edges on this bit allow for faster feed speeds, making short work of intricate veining and carving tasks. A wider bit like this one can be used for fast removal of waste in pockets and when cutting rabbets. The 3/4 diameter will let you flatten panels and glue-ups quickly without overloading your smaller CNC. And the flat bottom will provide a smooth surface that requires very little sanding after the machining is done. Pockets with rounded bottom edges are easier to clean than those cut square. So this bit is a favorite of mine to make dish pockets on games, toys, and anything that needs to be cleaned regularly. The flat bottom and rounded tips of this cutter leave smooth pockets that require less sanding. I chose the 7/16" diameter version to fit into smaller radius corners and odd-shaped pockets for maximum flexibility with your projects. Pretty much everyone wants to do 3D carving with their machine, and this bit is my go-to for maximum detail. 3 spiral flutes allow for the fastest feed with no chatter, saving you time. The tapered design makes it remarkably durable, so you can carve anything from foam to hardwoods. And the 1/32" radius at the tip provides amazingly sharp details in your carvings, however complex. Your bits are where the work gets done when milling a project. Quality bits will give you the best results, even with entry-level machines. Whiteside has a well-earned reputation within the wood industry for top-quality bits made right here in the USA. So I'm proud to partner the Woodcademy name with theirs to bring you these bits. This set will get you off to a great start with your new CNC router, and will let you make all of the projects in my book, CNC Woodworking for the Absolute Beginner, from Fox Chapel Publishing. You will certainly collect many more bits over time as your skills improve, but this set is my choice for getting you on the way. You can find them at your local Whiteside retailer, online, at whitesiderouterbits.com, or at woodcademy.com.